So I've got this airship replica I'm working on from the game Red Alert 2. Basically what I want to do is 3D print the main form or airframe structure that'll be on the inside, and I want to cover it with some sort of cloth, give it a real airship appearance. So basically what I've done is I've modelled the airframe and I've cut in these slots for the stitch seams to sit into once I pull it inside out. Basically before I cut in these slots I created a copy of the same airframe. So basically what I want to do is turn a run of these into a strip I can cut on my mostly printed CNC and add in some seam allowance, and I'm going to do that by using a plugin called Exact Flat, which is used by the textiles industry and the soft goods for digital patterning. I'm no expert in using this, I've only been using it since I built my Mpcnc, but I'll leave a link in the description for a really well done Autodesk webinar on it. Just a really interesting plugin and you can do some pretty cool things with it. So basically what you do is you come through and you select your faces that you want to pattern. Okay, upload to Exact Flat, and it is a web-based application. So you can see I've got it here in Exact Flat on the web. Basically what I can do is I can take these faces and go flatten. It'll even show me where the stress points will be placed, how long along the piece be under what stress as it's being used. That doesn't bother me too much since it's just a model. So anything I'm going to work with, and then you can even add in your seam allowance. Yeah, it's a pretty cool plugin for Fusion 360. Somewhat. Yeah. So once you're done, just go download DXF. Okay. So I need 30 of these. So I have to run 2 cut programs of this. Either way, that's how you get a DXF, the exact flat, from bases in Fusion 360, and then obviously I've got my 5mm seam allowance in here, which will be exact and exactly the same for each piece, which makes sewing them a lot easier. The good thing about cutting them with the laser too is it melts the edge of the fabric off as it's cutting. So yeah, I'm going to jump onto my mostly printed CNC now, and I'll cut all of these pieces out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. I've finished cutting out the pieces. Came out pretty good. A few of them I ran a bit over where I meant to be. This is just an old pillowcase that I've cut up. A few have landed on old seams, but all in all they've come out exactly as I need them. Which again, it's just another reason for how awesome it is to have an Mpcnc with a laser attachment, a 3D printer, and just how many things you can do with it with good CAD/CAM software. You know, I can 3D printing the form for this now, so it's just awesome. You can cut, make, and shape things that all fit together so easy. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.